smart capacitive sensors of the BCT-IOL and NCT-IOL series not only detect objects of various materials, but are also able to send a variety of preprocessed data directly to the cloud via IO-Link. The dynamic teach function, which is unique on the market, allows the switching distance of the sensors to be adjusted automatically during operation without having to stop the plant. This makes these devices particularly suitable for the reliable detection of fast-moving objects, especially when installation space is limited thanks to a tube diameter of only 8 mm. BCT-IOL and NCT-IOL, the smart capacitive sensors from TURK.